If the individual mandate is unconstitutional, then the rest of the Act cannot stand. As Congress found and the federal government concedes, the community rating and guaranteed issue provisions of the Act cannot stand without the individual mandate. Congress found that the individual mandate was essential to their operation. And not only can guaranteed issue and community rating not stand, not operate in the manner that Congress intended, they would actually counteract Congress's basic goal of providing patient protection but also affordable care.
There are so many things in this Act that are unquestionably okay. I think you would concede that reauthorizing, the Indian Health Care Improvement Act, changes to the black lung benefits, why make Congress redo those? I mean, it's a question of whether we say everything you did is no good, now start from scratch. Or to say, yeah, there are many things in here that have nothing to do, frankly, with the affordable health care. And there are some that we think it's better to let Congress to decide whether it wants them in or out. So why shouldn't we say it's a choice between a wrecking operation, which is what you are requesting, or a salvage job, and the more conservative approach would be salvage rather than throwing out everything?
I mean, a lot of this is reauthorization of appropriations that have been reauthorized for the previous 5 or 10 years. And it was just more convenient for Congress to throw it in the middle of the 2,700 pages than to do it separately. I mean, can you really suggest they cite the Black Lung Benefits Act, and those have nothing to do with any of the things we're talking about.
Let me answer the bottom line question, which is no matter what you do in this case, at some point there's going to be, if you strike down the mandate, there's going to be something for Congress to do. The question is really, what task do you want to give Congress? Do you want to give Congress the task of fixing the statute after something has been taken out, especially a provision at the heart, or do you want to give Congress the task of fixing health care? And I think it would be better in this situation.
If we strike down one provision, we're not taking that power away from Congress. Congress could look at it without the mandatory coverage provision and say, this model doesn't work, let's start from the beginning. Or it could choose to fix what it has. We're not declaring one portion doesn't force Congress into any path.